Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix low memory on your Roblox. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information that I am going to show you and tell you on this video. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to create enough space for Roblox by closing apps. So apps or other software running in the background put a workload on your device's memory, and stopping them through the settings menu might provide enough space for Roblox. And you can also try or you can also try and install them if you do not use them often. And this will also help you get more smooth experience when using your device. Next, what you can do is to make sure that the application is updated. So missing out on updates can result in various technical issues. Even though this one seems like a memory issue, it might as well be happening due to an outdated version of the game. And most devices download updates automatically, though it is also possible to turn automatic updates off. And you might have disabled this feature to manage your updates manually. So you can follow the simple steps right here or in this below to make sure that the Roblox is updated. So first, open your App Store or Google Play Store, whatever you are using, and just search for Roblox. Then just find the game's download page and check if there is a new update. So you will see the update button if your app version is outdated. And just simply tap onto the button to get the latest version on the game. So it is about this button right here, as shown in the picture. Then next, what you can do is you can log out from Roblox. So log out of the game and log in again to make sure everything runs correctly. So this will allow the game to reset itself. So here's how to log out from your Roblox. But remember that do not log out from your account if you do not remember your password. So to log out, first open your Roblox app and tap onto the settings menu. And tap onto the more to access the other settings and scroll down and find the log out option, so as shown here in the picture. So close the Roblox app and open it again, and now you can log in into your account. And then lastly, what you can do is to clear your Roblox cache. So you can also clear Roblox data to fix the memory error of the game. So you can head onto your device settings, tap onto the application settings, and just find the Roblox in the list in your settings in there. And then just simply tap the clear data option to clear the cache. But do not uninstall the game in this menu. So only tap onto the button that removes the old and unused Roblox data. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.